Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the Tier application. You should access the app first. After you are in, you should press the two lines at the top of your left corner and you will see account and settings right below your name. Press on it and after that you should press the third option, the privacy settings. And if you scroll all the way down, you will see the delete account option. Press on it and here it will have a description which will describe what will happen basically. So if you delete your Tier account, you won't be able to recreate the account using the same email address or phone number for the next 30 days. And keeping this in mind, you should make your decision. So if there is a chance that you will reconsider this action, then you shouldn't do it. But if you are 100% sure that you don't need to use this application anymore and want to delete your account, then you should proceed with the delete account option. So mostly that was it. I really hope this video was helpful and see you next time. Bye bye.